I just got this WANAI 3.5 cubic feet mini freezer, and I wanted to do a quick review, talk about an important setup step, and give you the internal dimensions. This was something I was interested in when doing research, but I couldn't find any info on. So this weighs about 37.5 pounds, so it should be pretty easy for most people to maneuver. Notice how the box on the side is dirty, so it clearly spent most of its strip to me on its side. This will be important for later. The freezer itself is packaged pretty well. It's got these two foam things on top, and here I cut the front of the box so you can see exactly how much protection they put on this freezer to try and make sure it gets delivered with no damage. Basically foam on top, bottom, and sides. Mine arrived in pretty excellent condition. It only had one small dent and scuff on the side. Aside from those, everything looks perfect. Then the next step was to remove all the tape. The inside of the freezer is 16 inches wide by 11 inches in length, about 23 inches at the deepest part and 16 inches at the shallowest. The basket is about 5 inches by 10 inches. Now this is important. Before you turn this on, let it sit upright for about 24 hours. There are oils in the compressor that need to settle to the bottom. If you turn it on right away, the compressor oils can leak into the refrigeration system, causing issues. As you remember, the freezer spent most of its time on the side during shipping. Once I let this sit for 24 hours, I turned it on and this thing instantly started getting cold. Here's what the compressor sounds like. It's pretty quiet, but you can still hear it. So overall, great freezer, and it has been working for about a month now without any issues.